So I just stumbled upon this amazing tool called Somo, and it's like a human-friendly version of netstat for monitoring ports and sockets.
Wait, somo, that's catchy. How does it actually make monitoring easier? I mean, netstat can be a bit of a headache, right?
Exactly. Somo presents everything in this nice table view, and you can filter results. It's so visually appealing compared to netstat.
Wow, that sounds way more intuitive. What kind of filtering options are we talking about?
You can filter by TCP or UDP specific ports, even by the program name or IP address. It's super customizable.
That's wild. So if I wanted to see which programs are using a certain port, I could just type in that port number?
Yep, and it gets even better. You can even kill processes directly from the tool after inspecting connections.
Hold on. So you're telling me I can find a program using a port and then just kill it? That's a game changer.
Right? It really is. You just use this kill flag or something like that and select the process interactively.
That's incredible. It sounds like it saves so much time instead of having to look up PID numbers separately.
Totally. Oh, and did I mention you might need to run it with sudo to see all the processes? That's a little catch.
I guess that makes sense. Any tricks so you don't have to run it as root every time?
Yes, you can create a symlink for the binary, and voila, you can run it without the whole sudo hassle each time.
That just keeps getting better. I can already see myself using it to monitor network activity on my server.
And it looks good while doing it. Functionality and aesthetics, what a combo.
Exactly. Does it work on other platforms or is it just for Debian?
It's mostly for Debian right now, but you can also install it via crates.io, though keep that sudo note in mind.
That makes sense. It's cool that it's open source too, right? Such a great contribution to the community.
For sure. And it makes Linux networking a little less intimidating for new users.
I love that. So in terms of real-world applications, what would you say is the main benefit?
Well, think about system admins troubleshooting network issues, like checking port conflicts quickly. It's a lifesaver.
Absolutely, and I can imagine developers finding it super useful too when debugging network applications.
Right? They can easily spot if something's hogging their desired ports or connections.
So is Somo something you'd be using regularly for your projects now?
Without a doubt. It's efficient, quick, and it has that interactive element that's just so satisfying.
I'm genuinely excited to try it out. Any final tips for getting started?
Just dive in. Hit the command line and start experimenting with the filters. You'll pick it up quickly.
That sounds perfect. I can't wait to see how this can streamline my workflow.
Oh, and definitely check the documentation. It's straightforward and helpful.
Good point. I really appreciate tools that have clear guidance, makes onboarding a breeze.
Yeah, and imagine sharing this knowledge with a community too. It's all about growing together.
Absolutely. This is the kind of discovery that makes tech so much more accessible. Love it.
Exactly. Oh, and one last thing. It even excludes IPv6 connections with a simple flag.
No way. That's a neat addition. It's like they've thought of everything.
Right? Honestly, I'm excited to see how it evolves over time with user feedback.
For sure. But wrapping everything up, this has been such a cool deep dive into Somo.
Totally. And I love how it empowers users to take control of their networking.
Absolutely. So everyone out there, Somo, and take your port monitoring to the next level.
And remember, knowledge is power, especially in the tech world.
Definitely. So what will you discover next? There's always more to explore.
I can't wait. Let's keep this momentum going.
Agreed. Until next time, let's make the most of our tech journey.